Hey, Internet. There's been a few changes since the last vlog. The biggest change being that I've gone from this battery pack to this battery pack. I feel like coming into the 2021's roaring. Got a visitor. We got a visitor. Oh my God, it's overexposed. Hello, I am so excited. I'm not gonna say I'm back in my element traveling around like I was really doing that much traveling, but it is nice to not be shooting just from the backyard again. What we're doing is a slight follow-up to what we did last year. We had a act by the name of Larry Kill come play in the backyard. Little green man, and now we're going to see Larry in Charlotte for just a night out. First time out. Fully vaccinated. I've slowly been getting the confidence back up and get back out here to running around the globe. Or at least just riding like 2 hours up to Charlotte. Do I just take this very obviously open area here? All right. Oh. Oops. I'm a trained professional. Got it.
Hey, Essie.
Hey.
Is that on or off?
It's on in a second. When that red thing's on, it's on.
There it is.
So my sister came in to town today and she asked the question, because she always does when I'm going somewhere, how come you didn't invite me? And I told her, you gotta be vaccinated to go on this trip.
That's awesome. And fascinating.
Yes, extremely fascinating.
Still stuck in this house with a mind full of doubts. Tired of staring out the window. Eating too much, drinking too much. Tired of watching the grass grow. Channel 2, Channel 3, back to Channel 2. I watched everything in my queue. So put me on a train, I don't care where it's going. Fly me on a plane, maybe out to Wyoming. Need an RV, no plans.
Radisson experience, not good at all. I was concerned coming back to hotels for the first time if I was going to be kind of nervous or anything like that. No, I feel fine, feel normal. I was right by the door so I could stumble in here, hammer it later on. Buddy. Always enjoy doing a bathroom tour on camera.
Coming down the railroad track. It's a Charlotte Blossom special. Bringing my baby back.
So we made it back, but it looks like my battery pack woes are not over because the new battery pack is not charging. That old reliable